Reasons that we don't do cotillion. I know that this has been asked a few times. And so my husband went through cotillion in the 90s, and my husband and I have been together for a very long time, and we've known one another since I was 12. But anyway, he was a really mean boy. Just not nice at all. So anyway, fast forward, my husband went through cotillion, and he introduced me to something called a Dutch oven, but it's nothing like this kind of Dutch oven, which brings me to the story is today we're going to make some overnight Dutch oven bread, and it's really, really easy. I'm going to just leave this up here for a moment. Okay, so you're going to need a Dutch oven, 2 oven mitts, a tea towel, a thermometer, and then your ingredients are 3 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, and then 1/2 cup of warm water, 105 degrees Fahrenheit. So first what I do is I combine the flour, yeast, salt in my KitchenAid mixer with the hook attachment. Now add the warm water and mix until the dough forms into a ball. Get the tips of your fingers wet, and then you're going to transfer the dough into a bowl for it to rise for 24 hours. So once the dough is in the bowl, firmly wrap the top with plastic wrap. Then get a moist tea towel and put it on top of your bowl and let it rise for 24 hours. Okay, so the bread, it's risen 24 hours, maybe a little bit longer, maybe a little less, I don't know. Look, this is what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Dutch oven in my oven, start my oven and heat it to, I think, 450 with the Dutch oven in it for an hour. Yeah, so that's fun. Yeah, we're playing with microphones. It's a good time. While the oven is preheating on 450 with a Dutch oven in it, transfer the dough from the bowl onto a floured surface. Form the dough into a ball by adding a few sprinkles of flour as needed. The dough should still be slightly loose. Then once you get it into a ball, cover it with a flour towel while the oven is still preheating. Once the oven is preheated for an hour, carefully remove the hot Dutch oven with oven mitts. Then carefully again remove the lid with an oven mitt. Spray the Dutch oven with cooking spray. Then carefully put your dough ball into your Dutch oven. Then carefully replace the lid. Put your entire Dutch oven back into your oven using oven mitts and bake it covered for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, you're going to take the lid off, bake it for an additional 15, and then you will have amazing overnight Dutch oven bread. You're welcome.